фотография твоя горят
Stop!
воспоминания о
I am
тебе.
Bumblebee, your oldest friend.
В 6 утра
Optimus, I would lay down my life for you.
и все твои обещания пустота.
Bumblebee, your voice. I have not heard it since Cybertron fell.